So again, just 5-minute movement, snack, some a little bit of simple routine, few lunges, few mountain climbers, and few reaches, things like deadlift, something what you can do, what you don't even really need, kind of like a warm up, or anything. You just have 5 minutes. You look at the clock. It's like, oh, I have 5 minutes before I leave to work or before I do anything, maybe before the workout, and you just want to get a little bit warm. So we're just going to go over a few basic movement, few basic reaches. It's going to get your hips, your back, your core kind of moving in few different directions. So it's going to be kind of nice way how to get started. Okay, good luck. So starting with super simple, just a few steps forward. You are just taking like 3 steps each side. And then now you're going to just reach this kind of, add this nice reach, almost like towards the knee height. I'll just show you from the side. Next one, you're just going to take a few steps back. And again, like 3 each side. And then you're just going to add a little bit of reach up. Perfect. Next one, we're just going to add a few mountain climbers. So again, just going over here. So again, like 10 of these. Next one, we're going to be just stepping to the side. So you can just, and again, just 3 of these. Now you are just going to reach. Perfect, and the same on your side. So again, just first, just 3 steps. And again, then just nice reach. Perfect. Next one, we're just going to be stepping to the side and reaching overhead. So and the same to the other side. And next one, again, just a few mountain climbers. But this time, instead of bringing the knee up, you're also going to try to touch outside. Perfect. And next kind of lunge is going to be, you're going to be stepping from the front, kind of diagonally a little bit to the side. So again, like 3 of those. Then again, just 3 with the reach. And the same the other side. And then again, 3 with the reach. Perfect, and now just 3 kind of again diagonally with nice overhead reach. So perfect, and now just a few mountain climbers, but you're trying to reach your right knee to the left elbow and vice versa. Perfect, and we're just going to finish it up with a few of the reaches, aka single leg deadlift. So and again, like 5 one side, and 5 the other side. This time we are reaching straight forward. What you can do is try a few of the reaches where you go outside straight in and inside, so it would look a little bit like this. And the same on the other side. So that's roughly 5 minutes, 20 seconds. Not sure if you can see it. So again, like something super simple. I'm not even sweaty, but I definitely feel my hips, my legs definitely got a little bit of workout. So you could use some kind of combination of these. Kind of how to progress it or how to make it a little more difficult is with the reaches, you can always reach a little bit further, so you can always like bend all the way down to the ground. If you want a little bit of extra weight, what you can do is just grab maybe 2 half liter bottles, so half kg, and you can do those kind of nicer reaches with the bottles. You can then go half liter, 1 liter, 2 liters, then starts to get a little bit awkward, but if you are able to do it with 2 liters bottles in 5 minutes for this repetition, you are plenty strong. So tap yourself on the shoulders and fair play, good job. Okay, hopefully this was helpful, good luck, and again, don't take it like a full training. I would just take it like, just give yourself nice 3, 4, 5 minutes just to do something for yourself. Okay, be good.